Hi everyone, today I'm going to create a video on Genpact placement paper. So here today I'm going to explain about verbal ability. So coming to the verbal ability, here is the here is the syllabus of the verbal ability, and coming to that, see here there is a topics, antonyms, 2 to 5 questions are asked. In synonyms, 3 to 5 questions are asked. Spotting errors, 1 to 3 questions are asked. In sentence arrangement, coming to sentence arrangements, these are some difficult things. And tag questions, items and phrases, tenses, 2 to 4 questions, spelling test, 3 to 5 questions. And these are the approximate estimation, and which means that there is no guarantee that same pattern will appear in the exam. So let's practice the first question of verbal ability. Coming to it, it is much. Choose the synonyms of the following words, 1 to 4 questions. So first thing, it's caudal. Caudal means caudal. It has 4 options. First one is excite, divert, grouch, oblivious. So the correct answer for this one is oblivious, because oblivious, not aware of or concerned about what is happening around one. So caudal synonym is oblivious, which means not aware or concerned about what is happening around one. Next, grumble. Grumble means nothing but bellyache. How do you? Bellyache. And changeless, invariable, stringent. So the correct and appropriate answer would be bellyache. Bellyache means explanation, complain noisily or persistently. And the second one is jubilant. In jubilant, we have 4 options: unalterable, squawk, snivel, euphoric. Euphoric, characterized by or feeling intense excitement and happiness. Euphoric is the appropriate answer for jubilant, characterized by or feeling intense excitement and happiness. Knavish. Coming to the knavish, we have 4 options: compress, decrease, virtuous, vigorous. And coming to the explanation, vigorous, sorry, virtuous is the right answer. Virtuous means having or showing high moral standards. In question number 5 to 8, choose the antonym of the following words. Improvident. Improvident, the opposite exact. Let's see the choices: fortunate, proven, intelligent, cautious. Improvident means lacking prudent, careless. Cautious means to be worried or to excess forethought. So here, improvident means lacking prudent, careless. Carelessness is the main thing. Improvident. Cautious means to be very careful. And coming to the foster, the correct antonym for foster is, appropriate word is discourage. Foster means to encourage, therefore discourage is the quite the opposite. Quiescent. 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 The meaning of the quiescent is inactive or response. Therefore, the appropriate answer would be active. Next one, heartfelt. Heartfelt means expressing genuine feelings. So, the exact antonym for that one is insincere, is its opposite thing. Next, fill in the blanks, identify the correct word which perfectly suits in the blank. The government deployed a unique mechanism to recapitalize banks. Monies to the tune of over 20,000 crore were dashed to bank for capital, but the banks in turn invested these in government bonds. So here the government deploys a unique mechanism to monies to the tune of over 2000 crores were provided to banks. The appropriate answer will be provided because the explanation for the provided is on the conditional understanding that. So here easily we can think that 2000 crores are the investment capital which has been provided given to the bank. And the next thing, the fundamental reason for this is that basic research is like defense. Here defense means it is opposing something, a pure public good which the private sector can support only in dash ways. So here define limited ways, constrained ways, fixed ways. Limited or fixed, any one will be the appropriate one. Here limited is the appropriate one because explanation is restricted in size. Limited means restricted in size, amount or extent, few, small or short. Next one, the death of young people in the subsequent protest further aggravated the local population's dash about failing to keep young men and women out of harm's way. Local population assure about, provision about, apprehension about, anxiety about. The appropriate answer would be anxiety. See, anxiety, a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. So here it's about protest. So it may be the anxiety that would be the appropriate answer. Then the 12th one answer is that it should be cirrhosis of the liver. He said, adding that if alcohol abuse causes cirrhosis, then its dash must be stopped first. So alcohol here, the very easy thing for alcohol is its intake. Casually, for medications, if we got any complication, we should say that we should stop the intake of medicines like that. If here we should stop the intake of alcohol intake. Explanation, the people were taken into an organization at a particular time. So that this explanation is not an appropriate one as compared to we should stop the intake. We should identify the error sentence in the given options. Since visible light cannot penetrate human tissues, the potential application of the technique may be during. It looks like that it's not appropriate one. Remaining 3 1 are appropriate. Coming to the answer, C of the technique may be during. Explanation, the correct form is of this technique may be during. So here instead of that we should use this. Identify the errored sentence in the given option. Number 14. A. Favorites to make them relevant and appeal to a new young player. Retro has gone geek with board game creator reinvents or tweaking old. So here the correct answer means the wrong error sentence is D, creator reinvent or tweaking old, because the correct form is the creators. We should use creators instead of creator, reinventing or tweaking old. Identify the error sentence in the given option. Let's see. In its newly revamped version, traditional, banknotes that were carefully collected right, counted and categorized have been right, replaced by debt cards and swipe machines. It looks like correct. So the wrong answer is in its newly revamped version, comma traditional. So the correct form is in its newly revamped version, traditional. Here it's in the above question it states that revamp, and the correct answer is revamped version. As it is speaking about past, we are using past. So thank you. This is the example of Genpact interview. It's the example of Genpact interview. If you want more, you can visit freshersnow.com for this placement paper, and you can download the placement paper by clicking click here option for your further use. There is no necessity for you to download, just see this video and learn the verbal ability by Chandu Pulpa. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.